Sibingelele ekseni emini yasebusuku ntambama osihlalo abakhona unobhala abakhona abaphathi bezezimali abakhona abaphathi bemfihlakalo yokuthi uhola kanjani TikTok. Sibingeleleke nje wonke amagalelo ehlangene sibumbene ke kule ndawo akuningi esizokwenza ukubingelela I would wear these shoes ne.
Oh, amen. Oh, Sanbana nitumela ngabshe.
Thursday or Friday.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon.
So,
good
I'm gonna wear
whatever.
these babies.
Welcome to my Be Ready With Me. Another day, another one. I am genuinely not sure where I was going this day. I'm not sure if I was going or I'm not sure if I was going to work or go wave rehearsal. But I was going somewhere important. Okay, orange is one of the colors that I have a healthy relationship with. I love it.
Why?
It loves me too. I understand that there's no toxicity there. I understand
Okay.
that peaceful, heavenly. Mina ke no team sabangani siyazwana nje. Siyazwana nje kusukela the day nguchuza nje selokhe ngifaithful ke sana. Uyabo? Hayi, ngiyathenga ke mina ukuthatha ithithu. Ngiyathenga ingane zakwethu nje. Impela nje kube kuhle futhi. Yezwa ke lento engishoyo.
You're not as big as I thought. But you're doing a job.
Iwari yami ke
But it means
yahlala yona kamnandi but engaveli the way ngifuna ivele ngakhona. But I think yeah man, ibukeka kahle. Njengoba sengibuka manje but that day it wasn't giving hello, I'm here. It was giving, I mean, tried girl, you tried. Really tried, but that's why I removed that watch because it disturbed me. Because what is that? What time is that? And why am I still in the house at that time? What do you mean? So I removed it and then continued with my wristwatch and the watch from iPhone. Peaceful ke lapho ke sana. And also the watch from my heart and mind. I'm like, okay, woke up at 5. So now, I've probably been getting ready for like 30 minutes. So now I have 15 minutes.
All right.
Yabo. Siyasizana nje me in my heart.
Ozowa nje angimgqoki. Owe nje wena. Awuzugqokiwa. Sharp.
The funny part about this is
Life is about
I
choices.
pretended as if
I
these
made this
earrings
myself.
fell
Well,
so
I got
that
the
I
shape.
honor my word.
There's
There's a will, there's a way.
and then I made this.
I made it happen.
I mean, cause angagqoki njalo. Angathandi mina macici angasho ukuthi hello, I'm here. Hayi, fanele ulokho ufuna manje ukuthi ufakela macici. Mina angithande njalo. Inkinga yami already lokhu kuthulwa ngalasana. And I can't. No, I can't.
Now I
have
believe earrings should speak, man. Like they
Aibo,
must,
ow.
for me, like if I'm wearing earrings,
These, now
earrings
these.
must say, "Hey,
These
girl,"
might work.
or like they must say something before anything
Understand,
else.
I
Understand? Yeah.
Then
Maybe
ngigqoka
ngoba I started late ukwagqoka. Phela now I started wearing earrings in 2021. Ningangibuzi why. But I started in 2021. So ke kusukela lokho nje.
ngilate like ngisho ungithethisa na ufile ngani like girl what were you trying to do what were you trying to do what were you trying to do hey kunala aphefumuza anukisa komuntu o
Yeah, le perfumes bandla. Hey, inukisa komuntu man. Ngibhizi nemara. Hey, le perfume nginika ngathi nginamara sibungathi ngingane. Ngathi uyabona nje.
Iphushi i1 ingena line.
Not that kubi lokho, but like ish. Ngiyenza ngibe serious.
Angana sifaka kanjani?
Khumbula ngisahlulwa eyeliner.
Amara ngibanga la
ngigagaza ngithi ngiyakala ngigagaza. Kanti ngingami ngangikhohle bolo mugqola in the middle. Hawa ungigagaza shem.
Lutho phela ngane yakho.
Sakaze phansi.
Lo Shandis lo, lo shun lo. Ngikhohle nyam. Hey, ngikhumbula. Awazi ngisho ufa lipstick. Ingenzani eyeliner? Yithi ngayifaka it. Yithi ngayifaka it. Yithi ngayifaka it. Wala! Uphusha ngawo lawo. Fakela. Kitlaring ngempela. Manje ku right anginalutho. La khona iwash la. Ngilifakelele. We are ready for Jerusalem.
I have it's not a problem, but others would call it a problem. I like to carry my backpack instead of like the normal, and people don't like that. But anyways, thank you for watching. Goodbye.